Hello everyone, I have a quick video. I'm about to show you a harness removal on a Buick Regal Grand National. This will also be the same for a Chevrolet Monte Carlo, an Oldsmobile Cutlass, or a Pontiac Grand Prix, El Camino, or a Caballero. The other videos are showing that you can sneak in through the plastic fender well. What I'm showing you is I removed the fender, and the reason why is that if you don't do that, you're going to break some little tabs. So this is the heater and AC air box, and it has these little tabs with press fasteners, and this is the harness, let's say bracket, right? That's what they're showing you, where you sneak in there and you can undo that, and then, but you would have to yank these out and then break them. So if you're trying to do a careful job and do a job without leaving a trace, this is the right way to do it. Doesn't take very long to take the fender off. It actually a little easier than when you're working on it. You can stand in here, so I could get pretty deep. So on the other side, you have the bulkhead connector, which is under the brake booster, and this one has a vacuum conversion, so it's a little hard to see. And I'm just gonna go over to another vehicle I have, and this is what the bulkhead connector looks like. So that is a 1/4 inch, it's not metric, it's a 1/4 inch socket. You'll need a long extension, and you undo that and it'll unplug. Now if you're separating the harness, the engine harness, which is on the left, from the headlight and front light harness, that's on the right. That actually pulls out of that one. You'll see how that slid in. Here's what it looks like. This is the headlight harness, and that C-channel looking thing slides in. So this part is part of this, and that slides out, and this pushes up and it clicks in. So if you're doing this, you don't have to take the fender off on the driver's side. You can get it off, no problem. The passenger side, that's another story. So I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks.